Sri Saket Gokhale.
Thank you very much, Chairman, sir. I'm incredibly glad that the Honorable Union Home Minister is here as well. So, discussion on the Union Home Ministry today is being initiated by the All India Trinamool Congress. And guess, sir, who does Mamata Banerjee give the responsibility for initiating this discussion? She gives it to a 38-year-old MP who was thrown into jail for 6 months by the Modi government. So, in the last week, we have this. Mirchi lagne wala bhi aayega, rukiye zara. Sir, certain small states sometimes are not able to stand up to this. But I'll promise you, sir, powerful states like West Bengal will always fight against this zamindari mentality. So there is some data which I want to present here, which just shows how Bengal is being treated, sir. Sir, in 2011-12, under the then UPA government, sir, Bengal received 44 crores under the Central Modernization Fund. 2011-12. 10 years later, 2021-22, how much did Bengal get? 0 rupees. So 2013-14, Bengal got 59 crores. 10 years later, 23-24, 0 rupees. So between 2020 to 2024, in 4 years, we should have gotten 160 crores, sir, by previous estimates. In these 4 years, we did not get a single rupee from the union government. So today, West Bengal has pending dues of 386 crores from the Union Home Ministry. Sir, forget borders, forget internal security. Sir, safety of women. I'm sure that the Honorable Home Minister are also concerned about that. So the West Bengal Assembly unanimously passed the Aparajita bill for the safety of women. That bill has made its way to the President, who will only assent to it based on the advice of the Council of Ministers, the Union Home Ministry. That bill is still stuck, sir. Repeatedly, we've requested, unanimously passed by all parties, but no approval has been given, sir. Nothing has changed in the last 11 years. For the benefit of the honorable member, sir, I'm going to now read out the glorious record of the CBI, sir. So over 6,900...
One second. Honorable Home Minister.
मान्यवर, मुझे लगता है आपने गृह विभाग की चर्चा के लिए इनिशिएट करने के लिए किया है। शायद उनको मालूम नहीं है माननीय सदस्य जी को कि सीबीआई और बाकी सारी एजेंसियों के नाम जो वो बोलना चाहते होंगे, एक भी गृह विभाग में नहीं। ये क्या मीमांसा कर रहे हैं? उनको सिर्फ गृह विभाग की बारे में चर्चा करना चाहिए। मेरा एक टेक्निकल ऑब्जेक्शन, अगर आप एरिया वाइड करना चाहते हो तो फिर मुझे भी करने दीजिएगा, जवाब देने में हर चीज का जवाब दिया जाए।
ऑनरेबल मेंबर।
सर, मंत्री जी सवाल से पहले इतना डर गए, आगे क्या होगा मुझे पता नहीं।
नो
I did not even refer to the CBI. Anyway, sir, उनको बढ़ाना है तो स्कोप बढ़ा दीजिए. He is free to do that.
Saket.
Sir, over 6,900 cases of corruption have been registered by the CBI, sir. So over 6,900 cases of corruption, a pending trial, cases registered by the CBI. So over 361 corruption cases have been pending since more than 20 years. I'm not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding. I am not yielding, sir. I'm not yielding. He needs to learn to listen. I'm not going to yield. I refuse to yield, sir.
1 second.
Under the rules, I am allowed to refuse to yield. I'm not going to refuse. I'm not going to yield to him, sir.
1 second.
He can wait for...
Mr. Gokhale, listen to the chair, please. When there is a jurisdictional issue, Honorable Home Minister.
मान्यवर,
Honorable Home Minister.
मैंने इन्होंने इंटरप्रिटेशन किया, डर गए। मैं किसी की कृपा से यहाँ नहीं आया हूँ भाई साहब। मैं 7 बार चुनाव जीत कर आया हूँ। एक आइडियोलॉजी का विरोध कर कर यहाँ नहीं घुस गया हूँ। डरने का क्वेश्चन डज नॉट अराइज। मान्यवर, ये जो जिक्र कर रहे हैं, इस सदन को गलत तरीके की इंफॉर्मेशन दे रही है, इसलिए मैं स्पष्टता करने के लिए, नंबर ऑफ केस जो वो सीबीआई के कह रहे हैं, वो माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के और माननीय हाई कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से चुनावी हिंसा के लिए रजिस्टर किए गए केस है, जो चुनावी हिंसा बंगाल में हुई है। ये सारे करप्शन के केस नहीं है मान्यवर, चीर नीर कर रखे। और चुनावी हिंसा किस प्रकार की? चुनाव में हमारी सीटें ज्यादा आ गई, चुन चुन कर जहां हमारा बहुमत था वो बूथों में हत्या की दी गई, महिलाओं के साथ बलात्कार किए गए। जब पीड़ित लोग, कोई एक्शन नहीं, कोई अरेस्ट नहीं, पीड़ित लोग जब पहुंचे हाईकोर्ट में, हाईकोर्ट के ऑर्डर से सीबीआई को जांच दिया गया है मान्यवर, हाईकोर्ट के ऑर्डर से दिया गया है। ये सुप्रीम कोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे, हाईकोर्ट को भी नहीं मानेंगे। जमींदारी कौन कर रहा है वो अब पूरा देश देखेगा। आप हाईकोर्ट को भी नहीं मानते हो। ये सारे सीबीआई के जो केस है मान्यवर, हाईकोर्ट और सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऑर्डर से रजिस्टर्ड किए गए हैं और ये कह रहे हैं इनमें परिणाम नहीं आ रहा है। मैं इसलिए परिणाम नहीं आ रहा है, एक भी सीबीआई स्पेशल कोर्ट आज बंगाल में नहीं है, एक भी नहीं बनाई है।
Honorable member, and I'll appeal to the members.
All these things can happen in the
Keep
reply,
this in
sir.
mind and continue.
All this
Mr.
can happen in the
Saket,
reply.
please.
ठीक है sir, I'm going to skip CBI and ED. I just want to make one thing clear,
No,
sir.
you made a wrong observation about Darge.
I'm skipping it.
Not
Sir,
good. Continue.
sir, मेहनत से हम भी आए हैं, वो भी साबरमती जेल में रहे, हम भी साबरमती जेल में रहे। On इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो तो आता है सर,
Saket,
होम मिनिस्ट्री के अंदर, sir, this is not fair. This is not fair at all. This is not fair at all.
You need to withdraw.
This is
as the
absolutely
leader of
not
the
fair,
House
sir.
says.
No, this is
And I
my time.
think-
So then I want a full 12 minutes once all over again.
No, no.
They can say their part.
One second.
According to the parliamentary practices, he should apologize or it should be expunged.
You know what?
Apologize for
Sir,
what?
no way. No.
For what?
For what?
For making a submission.
For what?
Just listen.
Ridiculous.
We will not apologize.
I'm never apologizing to you.
माफी मांगे सर, चर्चा करना हमारा हक है सर।
Honorable members,
सर क्या आप हमें चर्चा नहीं करने देंगे सर? सर ये लोग कितना अनाप शनाप बोलते हैं, हमने कभी बोला है क्या?
would you take your seat now? Take your seat.
ये बीजेपी वाले कितना
Take
कुछ
your
बोलते हैं
seat.
डिबेट के टाइम
Take
में,
your
तब
seat.
किसी को नहीं रोका जाता।
Take it. Honorable members, honorable members. One second. Honorable members, please take your seat. Take your seat. What's wrong with you? Your leader of the house has spoken. Honorable members, for last few days, we have had good healthy discussion. There may be different points of view, and I would strongly urge the honorable member that using that expression which is subjective, judgmental, your dignity will not go down, you need to withdraw. I would delete it. No. One second. If any member of the house says that the other member डर गया है, is something which can neither be overlooked nor countenanced. Each member of the house, in his own right, has his dignity. I will look into everything, but it will increase your stature. It will make healthy debate. You need to withdraw that observation. The observation has been imparted with respect to India's Home Minister. This doesn't give good signal. No one interrupted. I allowed. So I would urge you. Otherwise, there are ways in which we deal with situations, deletion of it or otherwise. And I think he is saying a good suggestion. You need to withdraw that. Personal observations of any nature need to be avoided. I am totally opposed, and I am so happy the debate has been very nice in recent days. We have a Home Minister who has been here right from the beginning, and if there have been interventions, the intervention was jurisdictional. That one second. I think members will speak only after I conclude. So I would urge Saket Gokhale, since the objection is legitimate by leader of the House, it does not find approval of the chair. I do not want a promising member to derail himself, and therefore the personal observation withdraw. Saket. So I stand by what I said,
Sir?
but I would appreciate you will withdraw.
I greatly respect you, sir. I'm Mamta Banerjee's soldier. BJP wale withdraw karenge, hum nahi karenge. Let me now come
The
to
observation
the NIA
is
and that's
the
your call, sir.
one
That's your
second.
call. I won't withdraw.
The observation is deleted,
Fair, sir. That's your call. I'm not
and it
withdrawing.
is deleted because I find it not only unparliamentary, not only I find it unjustified, I find it is not well motivated.